Dumating na ang mga treats for the kids. Sa daycare and sa BF. We got this online. So, this is a coloring loot bag. May kasama na siyang markers. So, they could color it. And then, dito ilalagay yung candies with a toy. There you go. Giveaways for the kids. So excited. We're gonna fix it later. And then meron kaming extra lollipops here. I-add na lang namin. We're packing loot bags for Luna's birthday party sa isang daycare in Baclaran. Well, pakain lang naman. Mag-aayos na kami ni Yaya Jenny. Yaya Jenny, say hi. Oh, say hi, friends. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. So, sorry, kakagaling ko lang ng IHP sa Vida Yoga. Wow. Sa Vida Yoga. So, medyo pawis-pawis pa. Super init. So, mamaya na akong mag-aayos. 100 pieces. Pero, 50 pieces will go to the daycare in Baclaran. And then, 50 pieces pupunta naman sa Barangay BF. Lollipop. Ano? Asan? Hindi pa nalalagay. Kumuha na ng lollipop. Ba yan? So, we've got a little problem kasi hindi nagkasya yung bags namin. So, what we're gonna do is yung half, we're just gonna give out these and then yung half meron bag. Pero kung may dumating tomorrow, I wish may dumating, but important thing is makapakain kami and may ibibigay kami sa kids. So, nag-aayos na kami ng balloons nakatago dito. Yeah. Nilalagay na kami ng air sa balloons and then we're just gonna stick it sa mga walls para tomorrow, when she wakes up, pagbaba niya sa bahay, ma-excite siya makita. Alam ko super init, pero frozen ang nakalagay sa house. And then, nandito yung gift namin ng daddy niya, from Parenting Emporium na binili namin. She really wanted the pink bunny, so isa-surprise din namin siya sa pink bunny na, I think that's called Jellycat. So, yes. Pawis! Yun na! Let's go! Let it go! Let it go! This is our mornings. Always. Happy birthday, Luna! Yee! Yee! Luna! Under the sea. Happy birthday, Luna! Good morning, baby! Good morning! It's your birthday today. Good morning. You say hi, friends. You say hi, friends. Good morning. I'm 2 years old today. Just woke up. It's 7 o'clock. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. 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 Then we have a surprise for her. So we're going down. Yay. Wow, you're holding na balloon. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go. Sumisilip ka na, ah? Kita mo na ba? Okay. So many balloons. It's your birthday! It's nice?
Hindi pa niya nakita yung sa gilid niya.
How about this one? What's that? It was this one. What's this one? Luna. Oh, how about this one? Big picture. Big picture. Wow. Mama has a surprise for you. Mama has a surprise for you. Luna. Sit down there. I'll take a picture. Take a picture of you. Okay, please. birthday, Luna! We love you from Mama, Dada, and Yaya! Picture! Tingnan mo!
Tingnan mo!
Thank you!
I like you.
Oh. What's this? Oh, wow! Wow, cook, eat breakfast.
So much.
No more. It's okay. Birthday mo naman. Saan ka nag-e-enjoy? Kaya minali nyo, hindi ko napansin. Hi! Hello! To get the food for the outreach, si Baclaran and BF. Hello! Yeah, siya mag-help sa amin si BF. Ang ganda ng buhok mo. Parang buhok na anak ko pag nakita. Wow! And we're just waiting for the food. 100 packs. Yes, alis na rin kami to go to Baclaran.
Happy birthday, Luna! Thank you, Miss Winwin Marquez! Yeah!
Aalis na dapat kami, pero mukhang wala sa mood si Luna at kaka-sleep lang. Hirap ng toddler. May sarili silang schedule. Frank, sama na si Luna, bebe. Luna!
Luna, look at Ate Alex. Where's Ate Alex?
Hey, Yaya, excuse me. Pabukas mo yung food lahat.
Wala na iwan.
Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you our birthday celebrant. Palakpakan natin si Luna, together with Mommy Winwin.
Yung pagkain ko nakahanda, galing po kay Luna, second birthday niya po. Ngayon lang siya mag-celebrate ng birthday kasi nung first birthday niya wala siyang celebration. So nandito po kami para makaselebrate si Luna kasama ng mga bata at kasama niya rin po. Sana po nag-enjoy sa simpleng gift din namin na pamundo. At syempre thank you din kay Kagawad na. Bata pa lang po ako. Kasama ko na po siya.
Alright guys, bigyan tayo ng kuya.
Hi Luna, happy birthday and thank you for coming here sa Baclaran to share your blessings with the kids and especially thank you rin in advance happy birthday Winwin. I love ya.
Happy birthday, Luna! Wish you
sa'yo. Sana lumaki ka, may takot sa Diyos, malusog. At sana sumunod ka sa parents mo, of course kay Mama Winwin mo, sa daddy mo. Sobrang swerte mo dahil mama mo si Winwin Marquez. Yun lang. At
Galing-galing, oh.
everyone. Thank you everyone for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe.